decided that you want to go into the vending machine world, and you've decided that you wanted to go into bulk vending specifically. So now one of your big questions is, are you going to go with new machines or are you going to go with used machines? I specifically went with used, and I'm going to show you the process right now in this video as to how I went about buying a used machine, how I fixed it, make it look nice, how I got it for a really good deal, and why I think cheap used vending machines on like OfferUp and Craigslist is the way to go, other than buying brand new on Gumball machines for your business. Because remember, you're investing in yourself, and now this is your own business, so you have to be very savvy with your money, right? So let's get into it. So all in all, total wise, I think everything costed me about $16 for the sponge, the nail filer, and the paint. So $16. And then I went ahead and went on eBay and ordered 2 locks, since I did pick up 2 machines. I ordered 2 locks, and the 2 locks came out to a total of $31, which was about $15.50 each, somewhere around there. I think it means I can open it now. So I have everything, right? I have the new locks, I have the paints, I have the sandpaper, I have the used machines with me, which, by the way, I paid $12 for. I mean, if you think that's a good steal of a deal, great, let me know, because I think that's a good deal too. All in all, that puts me at a little under $40. I'm just gonna round up to $40 though. So after looking up at the YouTube video, I sanded everything down. I took the machine apart. It's very easy. It's just nails and some bolts. Nails and bolts. Sanded it all down, and I took it to the back and I painted it. I think it looks pretty nice. So I put it all back together, put the locks on. Luckily, you know, the locks just needed to be drilled out, which was another YouTube video that I watched. You can seriously find out anything on YouTube if you really wanted to. And yeah, all in all, two machines was less than, where it was like $40 each for 2 machines. Used. Now, let's talk about new. There are plenty of places where you can get brand new vending machines for about $100. Maybe sometimes there's a sale and there's like $80, but let's just stick to $100. You can go to candymachines.com, gumballmachines.com. There's a lot of places. So you go with new. Brand new machine, $100. Used machine, for my example, was $40. If you want to build your own business, you're going to need a lot of machines in order to provide you a relatively good income. So, me, myself, I want 100 vending machines in Los Angeles. And 100 Gumball machines times 40, because it's $40 per machine that it's going to cost me. Use these numbers. Is $4,000 of my investment to have 100 Gumball machines out and about working for me. $4,000 up front. Don't worry about Gumball costs, because that's a whole nother thing. Just the machines. Machines are relatively the most important part, because without the machines you don't even need the gumballs, right? So $4,000. Now, if you buy them brand spanking new at $100 each, at 100 machines, you're looking to spend $10,000. That's a $6,000 difference. And yeah, sure, it was less labor, it was less work. You have brand new items of everything, and they must look fantastic. But do you have the extra $6,000? And or are you willing to invest the extra $6,000 in your brand new business? Who knows? So let's talk about when you're going to make your money back. Because that's the most important part, right? Why get into business when there's not going to be any money? So on average, don't sue me, on average, each Gumball machine at each location, if it's a decent location, should make you about $10 a month. On average, $10 a month. If you're doing 100 machines at $10 a month, it should theoretically get you $1,000 a month. $1,000 a month for 100 machines. So if you went used on the route of used machines and you fixed it up and everything, you would have made your investment back in 6 months. 6 months. That's not bad. A lot of businesses don't make their money back for 3-5 years. So now you went new. New, remember you spent $10,000. At $1,000 a month, you'll most likely be seeing a profit after 1 year, which still isn't bad. Still not bad at all. But do you rather want to put the time and work and effort of fixing up machines up front, and that kind of being like your effort right there, you're grinding it out so that you can save $6,000 and so that you can start making a profit after 6 months? Or do you just want to take the easy route, which there's no harm in that. There are so many benefits to buying new. You don't have to worry about anything. For the most part, nothing should break down. Everything should look fantastic. It's a very easy road, and why not make your life easier? You know, myself, I like fixing things. I like breaking things apart. I like seeing how it works. So I don't mind. But keep in mind, that's $10,000. So you're most likely not going to be seeing your profit for a little over a year. And that's one of the differences between buying used and new. In my video, you saw that I took out the lock, drilled it out, with a little bit of paint. I went and met a stranger, and that was okay. Your people are generally nice. Went and met a stranger, paid a person $12, and done. Put it in the trunk of my car. Almost thought I broke the glass on my way home, which was a little frightening, but it didn't break. And now all I have to do is find a location for my new machines. Keep in mind, I am in Los Angeles. Things are barely opening up right now, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. But I do plan on using a locator, so I'll let you guys know how that goes as well. I'm currently talking to the locator right now. But yeah, I'm sorry I haven't really posted. You know, LA's been shut down. I really couldn't go out and film anything. People weren't really motivated to like talk or email or do anything. And yeah, now hopefully things will go back to normal. Vending can start to vend again. And with that said, leave a like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you guys did any renovations on your Gumball machines, I'd love to see them. You can always message me on Instagram. I tend to answer everyone on Instagram, surprisingly. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.